collaboration and teamwork, networking. I defined networking 23 years ago with a simple definition. Networking is the identification and the building of relationships for the purpose of sharing information, opportunities, and resources. And the emphasis on that definition, brothers and sisters, is on building relationships and sharing. Why? Because all of life is about relationships. All of life is about working with and through other people. There is no success that you can attain, sustain, or maintain on your own by yourself in a vacuum. It is just not possible, especially if you are in business. Most of us here are in some sort of business, whether we are employed by someone else, or we are an employer, or we're working for ourselves. We're in some form of business. So in case no one has ever told you this, let me tell you this. Business is about relationships. Without relationships, you have no business. Without relationships, you have no business being in business. In fact, the business you're really in is in the business of building relationships. That's the business that you are in. I believe that the most powerful asset that you will have in the 21st century will not be your computer. I'm sorry, I don't care what you've read. It will be your relationships. Why? Because relationship building ultimately drives all entrepreneurship. It drives all job searches. It drives all upward mobility in the public-private sector workplace. Relationship building, networking drives organization building, community building, and nation building. All of those things are inherently networking initiatives. That it is your ability to shape the scope of your search for human resources and bring them to bear on your challenges and opportunities in life is what will ultimately determine your level of excellence or success in life. It's all about relationships. And you thought it was about education. Now, don't get it twisted. Education is profoundly important, but it's not enough.